Welcome to IBM Support TV, where we answer questions and share technical support information, hints and tips on IBM products.
Hello, welcome to this presentation on the mttrapd probe and malformed traps. This presentation will discuss what a malformed trap is and how to troubleshoot them, as well as provide a few examples of malformed traps and incorrectly formed SNMP v3 traps. A malformed trap is a trap that is incorrectly created at the source. SNMP v1 traps need the enterprise and uptime defined along with the trap data. Failure to define these requirements will result in a malformed trap. The other type of malformed trap is related to the data type and size. Malformed trap issues can only be resolved at the trap source. The simplest way to capture TCP/IP data is using TCP dump, which is available for most platforms, or Wireshark for Windows. Ensure the probe accepts all protocols before attempting to capture any traps. Check the available interfaces and set the correct interface in the TCP dump command. It is possible to extract traps from the TCP dump PCAP file using Wireshark. Once extracted as a binary file, the trap can be replayed to the mttrapd probe using the netcat command. This is useful when determining if the trap is the problem or the probe. Using Wireshark to inspect the trap's details is useful in determining if its data is malformed. Wireshark supports show data as a hexadecimal or bytes. In bytes, the data can be selected and inspected for issues. In this example, it was found that the data was padded to 8 bytes, whilst the required data size was only 4 bytes, which prevented successful reading by the NetSNMP libraries. SNMP version 1 traps must have the enterprise and OID and uptime defined for them to be processed. Traps can be inspected in Wireshark to make sure that they comply to the required trap definition. Typically, SNMP v3 traps are dropped due to some issue with the probe's configuration. This type of issue is not related to malformed traps, but can display the same problems. First, check that the SNMP v3 trap can be viewed correctly in Wireshark using the given user and security details. Then check the probe's configuration. Ensure the latest probe and Netcool Omnibus fixpacks are installed. Sometimes SNMP v3 traps are dropped due to duplicate sources with the same engine ID, or if there are problems with the trap's timing or engine boot properties. Wireshark is the best first check to perform, as it confirms that the SNMP v3 trap details are correct and allows for the trap's data to be inspected. Wireshark supports users table that allows one or more unique engine IDs to be entered, like the probe's mttrapd.conf file. If the given details do not unencrypt the SNMP v3 packet, then the details are incorrect.
Thanks for watching this episode of IBM Support TV. Please leave a comment with topics you would like to see in future episodes. Until then, stay tuned.